Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use YouTube Studio Video Editor. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your YouTube homepage and then go here to YouTube Studio. Now once when you're here, you have to click on content. And for example, if I want to edit this video of mine, I'm going to click on details and then I'm going to open editor. So this is actually the YouTube editor, YouTube video editor in YouTube Studio. And the way you can use this is through these things, the options that they have given. For example, if I want to trim and cut my video, I can click on it. Now I can trim the video as long as I want or as short as I want. That's completely up to me. I can tweak these ends of the video, the beginning and the end, and I can trim and make it shorter. There's another thing that I can do. For example, if I want to cut this part of the video, I don't like this part after publishing and I want to cut it, then I'm going to click here on new cut and I can adjust the length of this cut as well, how much I want to cut it so that it is adjusted according to my needs. Now, when I'll click this, YouTube is going to cut it. This YouTube video editor is going to cut it. That's completely up to me how I want to do it. So this is the first feature that we can use. Coming to the other feature, let me go back. So the next feature is of blur. Now there are two types of blurs that we can use. One is the face blur and the other one is the custom blur. Custom blur is actually if we want to blur a specific part of a video that we don't like. First, we can choose the shapes, whichever shape we want. Do we want a rectangle or an oval one? That's completely up to us. I'll go with this. And for example, if we have to blur this, now this is how we can do it. And the other thing is that if we want to fix this blur position or we want to track the object. Now, for example, if the object is a moving object, then we can click on track object. But if it is a fixed object, like in this case, we're going to click here and here we can adjust the length of this blur as well. Like for how long do we want the blur and how short or how long we want it. We can just adjust it from right here. Do we want the blur to be in the entire video or we want the blur to be for a specific time? That's completely up to us how we want to do it. So this is how you actually blur a YouTube video in the YouTube Studio editor. Here I'll show you. You can adjust the length of the blur, how long you want to blur it. So this is how you edit a video. It was as simple as it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.